Do you find yourself second guessing your decisions as an online entrepreneur or expert? Are you starting to see how doubting your decisions is costing you time, money, but more importantly, how it's affecting your well being? What if you could make better decisions faster without self doubt, without worrying whether it was the right decision, and without wasting time going back and forth? What I'm going to share with you was used by people like Christy Marie Sheldon and Vishen Lakhiani to build multi-million-dollar businesses. This works. But before I do, we need a different setting. I've used this shamanic technique many times while transitioning from being a martial arts expert to becoming a mindset and leadership coach. And that, by far, was the hardest thing I ever done in my life. Yes, even harder than fighting. Your time is your most precious asset. Because you can always make more money, but you cannot make more time. And the more you waste time being indecisive and second guessing yourself, the more your competition will leave you behind. And you're going to be so much less likely to achieve your goals. But the shamanic technique I will share with you today will allow you to make decisions fast, learn from them, make progress, and without the weight of worry and self-doubt. Let's begin. Do this with me right now. Find a comfortable place to sit. Sit back, close your eyes, breathe in, and breathe out. Allow all tension in the body to sink through your feet and into the ground. Breathe in light, breathe out stress, tension, worry, self-doubt. Anything that you feel is weighing you down right now. And we will travel to the future, where you will get to meet your super successful self. Imagine that version of you and notice how you are talking. Notice how you are walking. Notice what you're wearing as your future super successful self. And now notice that your future super successful self is in the room with you right now. Notice their energy. Notice their presence. And notice the love in their eyes right now. And the joy that you decided to call upon them for guidance. Give this version of you your gratitude, your love, because it's been waiting to guide you for a very long time. Now think of a decision that you feel indecisive about. A decision that was made, or a decision that you know you need to make, but you've been putting off for quite some time. Because you don't know which is the right path for you. Now, once you have that specific decision in mind. Notice that your future super successful self knows which is the right path for you right now. Ask your future super successful self to tell you what decision you should make, or if it was a past decision, ask your future self to show you which was the right one. And notice the answer that you're getting. Notice the clarity that you're getting. Notice the confidence that is building up in your body right now because you know which path is the right path for you. Notice a big smile forming on your face. Give your future self your love. Give it your gratitude. And notice that you can always call upon them to guide you, to show you the way. Breathe in. Feel into this new level of confidence that you're experiencing right now. And breathe out any remaining doubt. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Beautiful. I recommend doing this meditation every time you have a big decision to make. And something else that you can do when you start your day, you can simply ask your future super successful self what they would do today, starting with the morning. What I love to do is write down the question in my journal. What is my future self guiding me to do right now? For you to be able to successfully shift your identity for success, what is needed is you being that version of you right now, feeling as if, acting as if you were that person already. And this is a powerful tool to do it. Look at this guy. So cute. There's a caveat to this technique, and I would be responsible not to talk about it. This technique will not always lead you on the path to most pleasure. It will also lead you to discomfort, because in that discomfort, you get to learn powerful, essential lessons that you will need later on when you are successful, so that you are able to maintain that success and experience it safely. There's nothing worse than being successful overnight and not being able to maintain it. So don't be afraid of discomfort. Don't believe that if you follow this technique and it's not the most pleasurable, amazing thing that you've experienced, that you've done something wrong. No, it's the sign that you've done something right. But you just need to trust your intuition, trust your future self, that experience is exactly what you need in that moment. Because without it, you'll probably experience a lot more pain moving forward. To give you an example, at the beginning of 2022, I hired a mindset coach. And in one of our first calls, I actually told them, I feel like I'm talking to my future super successful self. And a month later, I actually ended up firing the coach. Was my intuition wrong for saying, yes, this is the right person for you, go all in? No. Because I realized that I had different standards, higher standards from a person that I would call a coach. And that allowed me to know exactly what I don't want in a mindset coach. And I later found someone that was a lot more aligned with my values, with what I wanted from the experience, and it helped me tremendously. So because I trusted life, that it wants me to win and loves me, I didn't get disappointed. I needed that experience to be truly ready for the person that was right for me. Let me know in the comments, how did you feel during the meditation? What was it like to connect with that version of you and see yourself clearly? And if you found this valuable and you've enjoyed it, give this video a like. It helps tremendously with getting this message, this technique out there to more people. Now that you know how to make better decisions fast, you are much better equipped to grow your business. But how do you grow it faster, sustainably, in a way that allows for a lot more fun and without the stress and overwhelm? Well, actually, this philosophy that I learned from Bruce Lee massively grew my business, and it's going to do the same for you. No business coach out there is talking about this because they have no idea about these principles, let alone how to use them. Watch this video next to gain a big edge over your competition.